Hello there. Years ago, I was asked by a friend of mine how to isolate one color and turn everything else black and white. I only knew about using the lasso tool. They wanted something more simplistic. If you go to Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation, and then every color apart from red, just drop the lightness. Now, I've only done this with red because his photograph he took was the main color of the device. He wanted highlighting was red. Hopefully this will work with different colors. So you see I've turned everything apart from red down, the lightness down to 0. And what you have now is the red rose and everything else black and white. I hope this is helpful. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.